In this video, you'll learn how to add a YouTube video to your Webflow project. This process involves navigating through Webflow's interface and using a YouTube video link to embed the content seamlessly into your site. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Webflow site for your project. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate your specific project, which in this case is titled Shangri-La's Wondrous Site. Click on the project to open it. Next, you will need to add an element to your project. Look for the Add Element button, typically found on the left side of the screen. When you click this button, a panel will appear on the left with various options for elements. This panel allows you to choose different types of content to add to your web page. After the Elements panel is visible, find and click on the Media section. This section houses different media options, including images, videos, and audio files. Selecting this will display the media options available to you. Continuing from here, click on the video option within the media section. This action will reveal the video embedding options, allowing you to embed a video from various sources, including YouTube. You should see an option to enter a video URL. At this point, you will need to go to YouTube, open a new tab in your browser, and navigate to the YouTube website. Once there, search for the video you wish to add to your Webflow project. After finding the desired video, click on it to open the video page. Now that the video is open, you will need to copy the URL. Look at the address bar of your browser, highlight the entire URL, right-click and select Copy from the context menu. It is essential to ensure that you have the correct video URL, as this will be used to embed the video in your site. Return to the Webflow tab where you add in the video. Click on the field labeled URL and paste the copied link. You can do this by right-clicking in the field and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. After pasting the link, confirm that the URL is correct before proceeding. Once you've pasted the URL, Webflow will automatically process the link, and you should see a preview of the video appear. This confirmation ensures that the video is ready to be embedded. It is important to verify that your video plays correctly and that you have sufficient storage and bandwidth for the video content to load effectively on your site. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.